This is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So firstly, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then expand the quick access panel shortcuts, find the one that is responsible for the nearby share, and then touch and hold at its icon. Once you have made it to the nearby share page, you can activate this feature by turning this toggle on. From now, if you want to, you can of course rename your device. You can also manage and control its visibility and modify the data or the network type that will be used for the file transfer. Once everything is set up, you can just go ahead and use this feature. I will test it out through sending the screenshot I just took from my other phone that lays around. So let's try sending this screenshot or image and see how well this feature works. So as you can clearly see, the picture was both sent and received successfully, so I guess that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.